There's a place of serenity untouched by the noise of the world. It is sacred, peaceful, and just a breath away. It is your inner sanctuary, what I call your peace space. All it takes to visit this sanctuary is a desire for peace and stillness, to focus on your breath and to allow the flow of air to take you there. In it, you'll find your true nature, the peace that you are. The secret to joy and lasting happiness lies at the heart of your sanctuary, sitting at the bottom of a fountain of love that never stops flowing. You're welcome to come to this spring and drink from its waters of life and tranquility whenever you're thirsty for love and when joy runs dry. Whenever you feel lacking, you can enter your sanctuary and rediscover the gifts and treasures that often lie dormant on the ground, waiting to be picked up, nourished, and shared. I live in New York and I often go to Central Park. And one day, as I was entering this beautiful place in the middle of this very big and chaotic city, I noticed that as soon as you walk into this space, something shifts. You enter into a different frequency. The world around you becomes quiet. People feel more relaxed. Tourists enjoy the wonders and the beautiful of this place. Locals use the time there to relax, to read, to walk their dogs, to take a break from the chaos that is New York City. And as I was walking through Central Park, it occurred to me that this is very similar. This experience is very similar to entering our inner sanctuary, our own peace in the middle of this world, in the middle of the noise that often surrounds us. And just like Central Park is accessible to all of us in the city, our inner sanctuary is also available to all of us. We can take a train and arrive to Central Park no matter where you find yourself in the city. And it is the same. Through your breath, you can access your inner sanctuary. And we are going to practice that today. I want to share a practice with you in which we are going to visit our inner world and discover the peace that is always there for you. And within Central Park, there are special places, sanctuaries that are even more quiet than the rest of the park. All the animals, the plants that I share throughout the reflection were filmed in Central Park. There's a nature walk that you can find really close to the edge of the park, right next to one of the busiest and more chaotic places in the city. And when you're there, you really can't feel that chaos anymore. And the animals are friendly, and it is very quiet and peaceful. And so it is within you. In your special, peaceful place, you have stored memories of the past and your dreams for the future. Different parts of you wander, often lost and confused. They too are hungry and thirsty for love and in need of a gentle leader, a guide that can take them to this fountain of joy that is your source and the heart of your sanctuary. You are the guide that can show them the way and remind them that everything is okay and everything will be okay as long as we allow love to lead the way. You are the one who can help them put down the weight they've been carrying for so long and remind them that they can travel light and enjoy the walk, that everything they'll need is a thought away in this inner world. You are the one who can help them heal the wounds of the past and forgive themselves or others for those wounds. You are the one that can bring them back to the present, to the eternal now, where all is fresh and anew, where possibility lies in each blooming flower of this garden of light, where we are forgiven for the mistakes of the past and guided toward a bright future in which we remember who we truly are. You are the one each and every part of you has been waiting for. And when you sit in the center of your sanctuary, and there's harmony and union between all aspects of your being, when peace has been restored in your inner world, and love and joy are freely expressed and shared amongst all parts of you, then union, harmony, peace, love, and joy will be freely expressed and shared in the world. So, take a walk through your inner world. Discover who is in need of your love, of your helping hand and your light, and together return to what's true inside. And what's true inside is true outside also, for everything we see is a reflection of our inner world, just like the natural world is a reminder and a mirror for truth. The peace, harmony, balance, and beauty that lie within nature are part of you, an extension of your essence. So take a walk often in nature. Make it your sanctuary. Let it take you to the wisdom and truth that are hidden within each particle of this earth that is your gift and your home. Let the boundaries between your inner and outer worlds dissolve in your breath. With each inhale, breathe the world in. With each out-breath, breathe your essence out. Allow yourself to feel at home in the world. Through your being, heaven and earth become one. You are the bridge that connects both. Your body, the instrument through which the gifts of spirit are manifested and shared here on earth. So take a walk through your inner sanctuary. Open the gates of your heart and allow the waters of your eternal spring of life to freely flow to all. The world is hurting and it is thirsty. Joy has run dry. But your fountain is ever flowing with the light that can quench this thirst and the love that can nourish and heal all. I truly believe that nature is a reminder and a mirror of who we truly are, of the truth. I believe that it's here to help us reconnect with our own essence. And just like we have Central Park here in New York and other many beautiful parks, I'm sure that wherever you are, you can find a place in which you can reconnect with nature and with your own essence. And even when we don't go to a special place like a park or the beach or a hike, mountain, just by walking through your neighborhood, through your city, your town, you'll find trees, flowers, people, humans, animals, and the sky. There's always a sky. So you can use nature as a mirror for your inner world. And right now we're going to do the guided practice with our eyes closed. But you can incorporate and do this practice with your eyes open, wherever you are, to reconnect with nature and to allow your breath to dissolve the boundaries between your inner and outer worlds, to feel connected to all that is, to all of creation, and to your source. So let us practice. This is going to be a guided meditation. So find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. And when you're ready, you can close your eyes. Start by noticing your breath and allowing your breath to become the vehicle through which you can enter your inner sanctuary. Allow the flow of air that enters your nose and runs through your body to take you there. Let the breath move however it wants to. It knows how to bring you into this inner space of peace. feel your connection to the earth. Imagine a beam of light that emanates from the base of your spine, flowing down into the core of the earth, connecting you to her heart. Allow your energies to merge into one and dance freely through you. Breathe. Feel a beam of light flowing to and through you, entering the top of your head and filling your entire being with light. Focus on your heart and return to your breath. Notice how heart and breath move as one and are always connected to one another. Now, use your imagination to enter your inner sanctuary. You do not need to see it. If nothing comes to your inner field of vision, simply feel the essence, the peaceful frequency, and serenity of your inner sanctuary. Notice what's present there. Is it a garden, a field, a forest, a mountain, the beach, a place you feel connected to? How does it feel? How do you feel when you visit this peaceful place? Notice and stay with your breath. Allow your inner guide to take you to the center and source of your sanctuary, to its heart. Notice how here at your core, there's an ever-flowing fountain of life and love. It keeps you and all that is alive. It created you, and it wants to expand its love for your being, your presence, and gifts. This is your source and your truth, and you are eternally connected to it. You are a part and an extension of it. And through you, this source can create and do the work you came here to do. It is patiently waiting for you to remember who you truly are and what you're here to create and to share. Love. That is who you are. That is what you're here to share. That is where you come from. Love. Allow yourself to feel this love that is eternal, unconditional, everlasting, ever expanding, and ever present. Allow the breath to dissolve the boundaries between your inner and outer worlds. This love contains both, and you are the bridge that brings them together. Breathe in love, breathe out love. Breathe in the beauty and power of this universe. Breathe out your inner beauty and power. Breathe in the gifts and blessings of this earth. Breathe out your gifts and blessings for this earth. You are love, and you are surrounded by love. Slowly allow the breath to take you back into the physical space where you find yourself in this moment. Back to your body. Allow yourself to keep the awareness of the love, the peace, the harmony, and the joy that are ever flowing within your center, no matter where you are and what surrounds you. This fountain of love and life is always a breath away, and you can return to it anytime you choose to. Keep this awareness in your heart. Before we close this practice, let us allow ourselves to enjoy a few more moments of silence and serenity. When you're ready, you can start to gently move your body and to open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful rest of your day.